This video is on trigonometry, chapter 8 of class 10th. This is part 4. In this part, I have solved exercise 8.4. Now I am going to start exercise 8.4. Before starting this exercise, I am going to write a few identities here. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. If I take cos square theta to the right hand side, it is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now the second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. And tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1. And the third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These are the three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. I have explained derivation of these identities in the previous video. And moreover, in most of the sums, whenever you see cosec theta, I have changed that cosec theta to 1 over sin theta. Sec theta to 1 over cos theta. And tan theta to sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta to cos theta by sin theta. So most of the sums, I have changed cosec theta to 1 over sin theta, sec theta to 1 over cos theta, tan theta to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta to cos theta by sin theta. Whenever there is sin theta and cosec theta, I have changed this to sin theta into 1 over sin theta, and that is equal to 1. So sin theta cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta and sec theta is equal to 1 because they are the reciprocal of each other. Tan theta and cot theta, that is equal to 1 because they are the reciprocal of each other. So sin theta cosec theta is 1, cos theta sec theta is 1, tan theta cot theta is 1. Please note down this before solving that exercise. Now I'm going to do example number 13. Question is sec a in one bracket 1 minus sin a, in another bracket sec a plus tan a is equal to 1. We have to prove this. Now start with the left hand side. Now sec a can be written as 1 over cos a. 1 minus sin a. Write sec a as 1 over cos a. Tan a sin a by cos a. 1 over cos a, 1 minus sin a. Take LCM, cos a. I'll have 1 here plus sin a here. 1 over cos a, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a upon cos a. 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a is 1 minus sin square a. A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. We know this. Over cos square a. Cos a is cos square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. We know that 1 minus sin square a is cos square a upon cos square a. Answer is 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is what we want to prove. Again listen. Change sec a as 1 over cos a. Sec a 1 over cos a. tan A sin A over cos A. Take LCM. We'll have cos A in the denominator, 1 plus sin A in the numerator. Now 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. In one bracket, I have 1 minus sin A. In another bracket, I have 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. Upon cos A, cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Cos square A upon cos square A. Cancel this and you will get 1. So this is what we want. Example 14. So prove that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. So its left hand side is cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. Cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A minus cos A upon cos A upon sin A plus cos A. So I have changed cot A into cos A by sin A. Now take cos A common in the numerator. I'll have 1 over sin A minus 1. Take cos A common in the denominator. I'll have 1 over sin A plus 1. Now see the right hand side. We want cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Now this cos A is cancelled. So I have 1 over sin A minus 1 upon 1 over sin A plus 1. 1 over sin A is cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I have changed cot A into cos A by sin A. Then I have taken cos A common. In the bracket, I'll have 1 over sin A minus 1. In the numerator, in the denominator, 1 over sin A plus 1 in the bracket. Cos A cancelled. So I'll have 1 over sin A minus 1, 1 over sin A plus 1. 1 over sin A is cosec A minus 1 over cosec A plus 1. Fifth sum of 8.4 exercise. First part of fifth question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. You have to prove this. Take left hand side. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta can be written as 1 over sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Now take LCM, sin theta. I'll have 1 minus cos theta whole square. So this is 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now this is a square minus b square, because this is 1 square minus cos theta whole square. It means 1 minus cos theta whole square. This is a square minus b square. A minus b and a plus b. This is the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. This is the formula. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. And this is cancelled. So I have 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Its second part. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Prove that. So start with the left hand side. Left hand side is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. What we are going to do? Take the LCM. Cos A 1 plus sin A. I'll have cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Everybody knows how to write it. Cos square A plus, write the formula, A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB means 1 का square 1 plus sin A whole square मतलब sin square A. Sin A whole square means sin square A plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A in the bracket. Take 2 common. 1 plus sin A cos A 1 plus sin A in the bracket. This bracket and this bracket is cancelled. You will have 2 upon cos A. That is equal to 2 sec A. 1 by cos A is sec A. So this is what we want to prove. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first we have taken the LCM. We will have cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square in the numerator. Then write the formula. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A. 2 plus 2 sin A. Take 2 common. 1 plus sin A is in the bracket. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A is cancelled. You'll have 2 upon cos A. That is equal to 2 secant A. Now I'm going to do the fourth part. Now fourth part is prove that 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now its left hand side is 1 plus sec A can be written as 1 over cos A. Sec A can be written as 1 over cos A. Now take LCM of numerator. Cos A, this is cos A plus 1. In the denominator, I have 1 over cos A. Now this is cos A plus 1 upon cos A into cos A by 1. This is cancelled. You will have cos A plus 1. In the left hand side, I have cos A plus 1. I can't solve further. So I'm going to start with the right hand side. Right hand side, I have sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now this is A square minus B square. So formula is A minus B, A plus B. So this thing can be written as 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. So this bracket is cancelled. So I have 1 plus cos A. So left hand side is cos A plus 1, right hand side is 1 plus cos A. This is one and the same thing. So left hand side is equal to right hand side because cos A plus 1 1 plus cos A is one and the same thing. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now sixth part. Now start with the left hand side. One plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Start with the left hand side. 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Rationalize it. So multiply and divide by 1 plus sine A. This is how we rationalize it. Now I'll have 1 plus sine A whole square upon 1 minus sine A in one bracket and 1 plus sine A in another bracket. Now this is equal to 1 plus sine A whole square, A minus B and A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 minus sine square A. So I'll have 1 minus sine square A. Now this is equal to 1 plus sine A whole square upon cos square A. This is equal to 1 plus sine A upon cos A whole square. Now there is square and there is square root. I'll have 1 plus sine A upon cos A. Now this thing can be written as 1 over cos A plus sine A upon cos A. That is sec A plus tan A. So this shows left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the seventh part, the question is prove that sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So I have written left hand side. Now take sine theta common. I'll have 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon, take cos theta common. I'll have 2 cos square theta minus 1. So take sine theta common. I'll have 1 minus 2 sine square theta in the bracket. Take cos theta common. I'll have 2 cos square theta minus 1 in the bracket. Now see right hand side. I want tangent theta. So sine theta by cos theta is tangent theta. So this bracket should be cancelled. So either change sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta or cos square theta into 1 minus sine square theta. You can do anything. So I'm going to change this cos square theta into 1 minus sine square theta. And this sine theta by cos theta, I'm going to write it like this. 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and I'm going to change this cos square theta into 1 minus sine square theta minus 1. Now this is tan theta. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon 2 minus 2 sine square theta minus 1. Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So this whole bracket is cancelled. I have tan theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. I have taken sine theta common here, cos theta common here. Then I have changed this cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. And after solving it, I'll get 1 minus 2 sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and both are cancelled. So I'll have tangent theta, tan theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the ninth part, you have to prove that sin A plus sec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So left hand side is Now this is, apply the formula. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is sine square A plus cosec square A plus 2 times sine A cosec A. Similarly, apply the formula here. This is cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 times cos A and sec A. Now listen, sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So I'll write it like this. Sine square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A plus this sec square A. And this I'm going to write like this. 2 times sine A. Cosec A will be written as 1 over sine A. Similarly, 2 cos A, and this sec A, I am going to write it as 1 over cos A. So see, this is cancelled. This is cancelled. And I'll have 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. Check the right hand side. On the right hand side, I have tan square A plus cot square. You are going to change this. You are going to change this. So 5 plus, this can be written as cosec square A, can be written as 1 plus cot square A. Sec square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. So this is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Prove that cosec A minus sine A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 over tan A plus cot A. So start with the left hand side. Now cosec A can be written as cosec A, write cosec A as 1 over sine A minus sine A. Write sec A as 1 over cos A minus cos A. Take LCM. Sine A. This is 1 minus sine square A in one bracket. In another bracket, I'll have 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A upon sine A. 1 minus cos square A is sine square A upon cos A. Now this is cancelled. Yeah, this and this is cancelled. You have sine A, cos A. Now come to this right hand side. 1 over tan A plus cot A. This is right hand side. Change tan A to sine A upon cos A plus cos A upon sine A. Take LCM in the denominator. You have sine A, cos A. Here you will have sine square A plus cos square A. Now you have 1 upon sine square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 upon sine A, cos A. So this is equal to 1 into sine A, cos A upon 1. So you have sine A cos A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. You have to simplify left hand side as well as right hand side in this question. When you simplify left hand side, you will reach sine A cos A. When you solve right hand side, change tan A into sine A by cos A and cot A into cos A by sine A. Simplify it, you will ultimately get sine A cos A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. The important part is in this sum, you are simplifying both left hand side as well as right hand side. Question is, prove that 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Now this is first, this is second, and this is third. I am to prove first is equal to third, then I'll prove second is equal to third. And it implies first is equal to second is equal to third. Now, first I'll prove first is equal to third. It means I am to prove 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. Now take left hand side. Left hand side is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Change tan square A to sin square A upon cos square A. Sin square A upon cos square A upon 1 plus cot square A as cos square A upon sin square A. So this is, take LCM in the numerator as well as LCM in the denominator. In the numerator, it is x cos square A. We'll have cos square A plus sin square A. And similarly, take LCM in the denominator, sin square A. It means I'll have sin square A plus cos square A. Now I know cos square A plus sin square A is 1. So I'll have 1 upon cos square A upon 1 upon sin square A. Because sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 over cos square A into sin square A upon 1. That is sin square A upon cos square A. That is equal to tan square A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I have proved first is equal to third. Now I am going to prove second is equal to third. So I am to prove second is equal to third. Now left hand side is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Change tan A into sin A upon cos A. Cot A as 1 minus cos A upon sin A. This is whole square. I'll have cos A. I'll have cos A minus sin A upon sin A is the LCM, sin A minus cos A whole square. Cos A minus sin A upon cos A into sin A upon sin A minus cos A whole square. Now take minus common. Sin A minus cos A upon cos A into sin A upon sin A minus cos A whole square. This and this is cancelled. I'll have minus sin A upon cos A whole square. It means minus tan A whole square. And this is equal to tan square A. It implies second is equal to third. So first I have proved first is equal to second. Now I have proved second is equal to third. It means first is equal to second is equal to third. Now I am going to prove the third one. Third and fifth are a bit difficult sums. So I'm going to prove it now. Now first I'll prove the third one. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now its left hand side is change tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So this is sin theta by cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. This is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Take LCM. Sin theta, I'll have sin theta minus cos theta in the numerator. Cos theta upon sin theta and take LCM. Cos theta is the LCM. I'll have cos theta minus sin theta in the numerator. Now I'll have sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now I'll have sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta in the bracket plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta minus sin theta in the bracket. Now this is sin theta minus cos theta, this is cos theta minus sin theta. So take minus common here. So I'll have sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus, now if I take minus common here, so let me take minus common here. I'll have sin theta minus common, I'll have sin theta minus cos theta. So then sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta and plus minus minus. I'll have cos square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Now take LCM. Now what will be the LCM? Sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This is the LCM. I'll have sin cube theta minus. Similarly, have cos cube theta. You know how to write this. Write this in the, you have to divide this by this and you get sin theta. Divide this by this, you will get sin theta. Multiply sin theta with sin square theta, you will get sin cube theta. Similarly, you will get cos cube theta. So on next page, I'll have sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon sin theta cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Now write the formula. You know the formula. A cube minus B cube is formula for A cube minus B cube is A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So formula for this is sin theta minus cos theta in one bracket. In another bracket, it is sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta in the bracket. This bracket and this bracket is cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. You can write it like this: 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. This is cancelled. So you are left with 1 over sin theta into 1 over cos theta plus 1. This is cosec theta. This is sec theta plus 1. Now the fifth sum. Your question is, prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. You have to prove this. So its left hand side is, so divide numerator and denominator by sin A. I'll have cos A by sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 over sin A by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Now you have cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now write it like this: cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now instead of 1, write cosec square A minus cot square A. So we know that cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. We know that. So instead of 1, I am going to write cosec square A minus cot square A. So this is cot A plus cosec A. I am going to write it in bracket minus, instead of 1, I am going to write cosec square A minus cot square A. This point is very important. Upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now, next step is cot A plus cosec A in one bracket. Now, this is A square minus B square. Apply the formula of A square minus B square. So this will be cosec A minus cot A and cosec A plus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now this and this, take it common. Cot A plus cosec A. Take it common. So take common. You are left with 1 minus cosec A minus cot A in the bracket upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now, when you open the bracket, I'll have 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So this bracket and this bracket will be cancelled. So you are left with cot A plus cosec A. Now I have cot A plus cosec A in one bracket, 1 minus cosec A minus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we have this. Now open the bracket. Cot A plus cosec A. Now cot A plus cosec A in one bracket. If I open the bracket, this is cosec A and minus minus plus, this is cot A. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So cot A is plus, there is plus in front of cot and minus in front of cosec A. So this bracket and this bracket is the same. See carefully. Plus 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Plus 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Both the brackets are same. So we are going to cancel it. So we are left with cot A plus cosec A. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is what we want. Now I'm going to solve example 15. Now left hand side is divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. So I'll have sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta upon sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. I'll have tangent tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. This and this is cancelled. This and this is cancelled. So I have tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now write it like this. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. So instead of 1, I'm going to write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Tan theta plus sec theta. So instead of 1, I am going to write sec square theta minus tan square theta upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. So this write tan theta plus sec theta in a bracket and write formula a square minus b square. This is sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Take common. Tan theta plus sec theta. You are left with 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta in the bracket upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. When you open the bracket, now tan theta plus sec theta in one bracket, now open the bracket. 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now see, this bracket and this bracket is same. So cancel it. You are left with tan theta plus sec theta. Now on right hand side, I have 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Here I have tan theta plus sec theta. So what you are going to do? Now simplify the right hand side. Right hand side is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Rationalize it. 1 over sec theta minus tan theta multiply and divide by sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Multiply and divide by sec theta plus tan theta. So you have sec theta plus tan theta and upon sec theta minus tan theta in one bracket and sec theta plus tan theta in another bracket. So sec theta plus tan theta in the numerator. In the denominator, you have sec square theta minus tan square theta. And this is equal to sec theta plus tan theta upon 1, because sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is the end of the fourth part. In this video of trigonometry, in all the 4 parts, I have tried to cover most of the sums of the NCERT book. Thanks for watching my videos.